Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Cleo. Welcome to my kitchen one more time. So today I will be doing some banana fritters. Here you see I have the bananas. I have some baking powder. Some people don't use baking powder in it, and some ground cinnamon, some nutmeg, and vegetable oil or olive oil of your choice, brown sugar, and some vanilla extract. I'm using Benjamin vanilla extract and some all-purpose flour. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is peel banana. The more banana fritters you're gonna do, you can use more banana. I'm gonna use a fork and crush them, or you could, if you have a cake mixer, you can mix it out with the flour and all the ingredients. So I'm gonna basically show you the steps that I'm going to do right now. You can also use white granulated sugar. You don't have to use brown, and you don't have to use baking powder. Okay, so here guys, we have the banana in the container. So the riper it is, the better it is. Okay, it's easier to crush. Or some people use a blend, like a food processor or whatever. People use fork and mash it out, or blend it out or whatever to make. But so the riper it is, or darker the banana, it's easier. Okay, so basically crushing it out as much as I can, or blend it out, whichever. Okay guys, so you use a fork, it will be a little bit easier to crush. So you do it till it comes to your consistency, if you're liking. It's a lot of work. Or you could just blend it out. Okay. So then you're gonna add the amount of flour that you want. I'm letting Aiden try here, guys. To mash out. Good job, Aiden. Okay, guys, so here we have it. Adding the flour to it. As much flour as I want. Here, then I had the vanilla extract of your choice. The vanilla extract that you want to put in it. Your spices, baking powder if you choose to or not, and mix your ingredients in. Remember, I'm not a chef, this is how I'm doing it, right? For my old school. So you mix it in. It's looking good and it smells good. Use the spices that you wish to use in there. Make sure you have your oil really hot, and then you will drop them in there. 15 minutes, 15 seconds each side, I guess. Or just use your judgment. Normally I use white sugar in this, so I'm going to use the brown sugar chicken. It's looking nice. Have it, the oil, you can use whatever oil is well hot. It's even a little bit too hot, and we're going to put it in, okay? I think it could be a little bit thinner, but do with a couple of them, and then I'll show you guys the finishing product. Okay, so you guys could see the color is changing already. If the oil wasn't hot, it would actually stick. So I'm gonna flip it just now. So I flip it down. So when the oil is really hot, you have to be careful that it don't get burned. So I flip it 3 seconds on each side, so it doesn't get burned. Okay. And we will repeat the same process throughout. See? Turn it. You're looking good. You can have this whatever time was, sausage, whatever you want to eat it with. And then I'm going to remove those ones and add a bunch more. And you will see. I'm going to show you how I flip those two. I remove those and rest them on a piece of paper towel, let them drain. And yes, I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to show you how I flip two on the side. I don't think it's ready to be flipped yet, but I'll show you. It's not ready. I want to mesh it up. And we repeat the same process. Can be a brown a little bit more, but we don't want to burn them. So I'm going to remove those and continue frying them, and I'll show you the finishing product. Okay guys, so I'm removing the ones that are already done and just putting them, resting them on a piece of paper towel to drain off the excess oil. So yes guys, it's almost finished. That is banana fritters for you done my way. You can do it whatever way you choose to for your home. I'm just showing you a quick and simple way to make breakfast in the morning rather than throwing out the bananas. Okay guys, so this is the final product of the banana fritters. I hope you guys like it. And it tastes really good. The aroma is really great. Right, so you can pair this up with whatever you like, chocolate or chocolate, coffee. You can eat it with whatever saltfish or whatever you wish. Okay, so rather than throwing out the bananas, that's the way how you could make your bananas. Some people, as I said, do it without the baking powder. And there you have it guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. Have a blessed holiday. Thank you.